Hello everyone. In this video I will demonstrate the remaining editing and typesetting features of Doenba Edit as a continuation of the previous video. Incorporating LaTeX snippets into your writing allows you to utilize advanced LaTeX typesetting capabilities. Whenever you have a special typesetting need and you don't know how to do it, you can always message Doenba for a suggestion. For example, suppose I like to enter a passage indented on both the left and right margins, but I don't know how to do this. I enter the following prompt in the Message Doenba window. How do I enter a passage indented on both the left and right margins in LaTeX? I received two suggestions with accompanying LaTeX templates, the quote environment and the adjust width environment. The latter is more flexible since it allows specifying left and right margins. I opted to use the default quote environment. Here is the LaTeX snippet and how it appears when printed by clicking the preview icon. You can add a footnote at the cursor by clicking the footnote icon and then entering the content for it. Here is how it appears when printed. To insert a code snippet, click the code icon and paste the code in your preferred format. This example demonstrates a Python snippet copied from a Jupyter notebook, retaining its original line indentation and showing how it appears when printed with line numbers. To create a Level 2 subsection, start a new line, press the / key to open the drop-down menu. Select Heading 2 and type a title. This title appears in black and is distinguished from the section title shown in blue. A Level 2 subsection corresponds to subsection in LaTeX. In the same way, create Level 3 and Level 4 subsections by choosing Heading 3 and Heading 4, which correspond to LaTeX subsection and paragraph. The Heading 3 title and content are indented relative to Heading 2 content, and the Heading 4 title and content are indented relative to Heading 3 content. There are two methods for creating a bulleted list. 1. Use the drop-down menu by pressing the / key on any existing content you want to convert into a bulleted item, or on a new line to start a new bullet. 2. Use the drop-down menu after highlighting text in existing content that you want to turn into a bulleted item. In either method's drop-down menu, choose Bulleted List to enter the bulleted list environment. To create a new bulleted line after the current one, place the cursor at the desired location and press Return. The entire text from the cursor to the end of the line becomes the next bulleted item. Placing the cursor at the end of the current bulleted line, and press Return to start a new bulleted line with no existing content. Press Tab to create a bulleted sublist. If you press Tab anywhere inside an existing bulleted item after the first, that item is moved one indent level deeper. If you press Tab on the new bullet following the first item at the current level, you begin a new bulleted sublist. Press Tab repeatedly to create more deeply indented sublists. Each level must include at least one item. Press Shift+Tab to move up to the previous level. If you press Shift+Tab anywhere in the current bulleted item, that item is converted into a bullet at the previous level. Pressing Shift+Tab on the new bullet at the current level likewise returns you to the previous level. Therefore, you can return to the previous levels by pressing Shift+Tab repeatedly. Note that you can also press Delete at the bullet point to move the current item to the previous level, provided it does not contain sublists. You can use the same two methods for bulleted lists to create a numbered list. At any point on the current line that you want to turn into a numbered item, or on a new line if you want to begin a new numbered list, press / to open the drop-down menu and choose Numbered List, or select some text, open the text drop-down menu and choose Numbered List. The quickest way to begin a top-level numbered list is to type a number, a period, and a space, which opens a numbered list environment. You can then type your items. You can combine numbered and bulleted lists across different nesting levels. For example, you can use a top-level numbered list with bulleted sublists, or the reverse. You can apply this at any level. You can enter a comment at the cursor by pressing / and choosing Comment. Text entered in the comment box will not appear in the printout. You can apply bold, italic, and underline formatting to a piece of text by highlighting it and selecting the corresponding feature. You can cross-reference a figure, table, equation, or section by clicking the corresponding icon on the referencing panel, selecting the desired label, and pressing Add to insert that label at the cursor. This is a preview of the entire section, illustrating the cross-referenced figure, table, and equation. The cross-referenced section label will appear once the full paper is exported to a LaTeX template. To cite a reference, click the Cross-Reference menu and select Citation. If you already have an uploaded list of references, search for the one you want to cite. If the reference is not in the list, click Add to enter its details, or upload a LaTeX.bib file. Doenba will extract the references from the .bib file for you. When entering a reference, be sure to choose the correct resource type. This provides a preview of the whole section, demonstrating the citation. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.